at Shutterfly, we make life's experiences unforgettable.
Our wide variety of products help people to preserve their memories from all seasons of life.
The mission of Shutterfly is incredible. It's a great thing to remember that when you work here, you get to bring the joy to the people outside of this company that are ordering the product. I mean, a lot of them, we go from their first-year birthdays to 100-year-old birthdays, to weddings, you know, celebrations all across, pictures of families, pictures of dogs, cats.
I enjoy looking at the pictures as they're coming off my machine, seeing the happy moments that people are sharing. I enjoy the people that I work with. I just can't ask for a better job.
I enjoy working at Shutterfly because we create memories for families. It's just a way to make a difference in people's lives. My favorite product that we offer is going to be the photo books.
The mission of this place and how we all collaborate is that we're doing this to put a smile on everybody's face, all of the customers. Really, it's more fun than it is work.
If you have an opportunity to come work here, it's a great place. We do work hard, but with working hard comes a lot of fun.